if you want to restore a backup from your USB device, for example, USB flash drive, on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then the first thing that you need to do is go to the settings. In settings, we need to choose accounts and backup, and then over here go to external storage transfer. Of course, you need to connect your USB flash drive to the phone. So if you did that before on a previous device, or even the same one, then just do that again. Just connect your USB device again. And then we can choose to restore from, and here we need to choose USB storage. There we go. We can now select what we want to restore. So we can choose everything that has been backed up, just calls, contacts, and messages. Or we can go with custom, and then we can choose in the next field, in the next screen, what we exactly want to restore. I'm gonna select everything in this case, and let's proceed. Keep in mind that if the data is encrypted, and it probably is, by using the Samsung account, then in that case you will need to use the same Samsung account to be able to decrypt that backup. And there we go. Data restore results. We have everything restored. We can proceed, press next, and all set, press done. If you are not using the same Samsung account, you might not be able to restore the backed up data, and you might be asked to sign into the same account as you used to back up the data. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.